This class is Quilting Painted Faces. We're going to go over the marking and then eventually the actual quilting of the painted faces. What this class will do is help you create depth and character using quilting lines. It will also help you to understand how to enhance facial contours and the detail with your quilting. To start your quilting process, you need to have an understanding of what is called lithograph printing. And our dollar bills actually have lithograph done with the faces and all of that. You can actually buy books on it from Dover Publishing, and those are copyright-free books, so you can use them without worrying. But if you look at lithograph really closely, you can actually see where you need to quilt and how the quilting is moved for the contours. We also want to stop at the lip. What we don't want to do is actually outline these things. We want to kind of blend into them. So most quilters will just do an outline on the shape like they're putting on makeup, and that's what you don't want to do. You want to have the lines just kind of form around the painting. Now, I also want to talk about the little hairpiece right here, and it's just a stylized flower. And when you're doing a flower like this, it's kind of tricky. They actually used white paint on the geisha girls, so I wanted to allow that to happen also. So I'm going to use white on the face and the ears, and then I'll change colors with the other parts of this piece.